Akron.
Welcome back to the news show.
And we are your hosts, Madi.
And Mar.
We have a little bit of a recap from semi-formal that was on the 11th of January. I attended, someone did not.
I chose to stay home and play Fortnite.
But it was a lot of fun, and it was a really good night. It was dancing under the stars. It was a good night, good music. There was some good food. It was great to see some teachers outside of class. But yeah, it was an overall good night.
And we will be showing you the pictures from the event now. And yeah. So, coming up on February 5th, the Interact Leadership Conference will be held at Albion High School on February 5th from 8:40 in the morning to 11:30 a.m. So look out for the posters around the school as well to donate supplies to the school that is being rebuilt in Honduras after a natural disaster.
Also coming up is the NHS induction ceremony in the auditorium from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Congratulations to all who have been inducted, and we wish you the best.
The high school music department will have a student and parent band trip meeting in the band room C102 from 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. I forgot what day that was on, but yeah.
AP Lit will be going on a field trip February 13th from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Don't forget to turn in your permission slips or you will miss out on this great opportunity.
Parent-teacher conferences, again, will be taking place Thursday, February 13th in the evening from 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. and Friday, February 14th in the morning from 8 a.m. to 11:30. So please be on your best behavior. If your parents will be attending, of course. If they're not, then it really doesn't matter. Also, February 14th, we'll kick off the beginning of our midwinter recess, which takes place, again, starting on February 14th, and we won't be coming back to school until February 24th. So enjoy your long break while you have it.
Thank you all so much for watching this segment of the February News Show.
We enjoyed this very much.
We are your hosts, Madi
and Mar, and we will see you again in March.